In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to validate a signature in Adobe Sign. Verifying a signature ensures that the person who signed your PDF is who they claim to be and that the document hasn't been changed since it was signed. Adobe uses the signer's digital certificate and built-in integrity checks to confirm authenticity. For the best results, open the file in Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Reader, not a web browser preview. Let's start with a single signature. Open your signed PDF in Acrobat or Reader. Click either the signature field itself or open the signature panel, which typically appears in the left sidebar or at the top, depending on your layout. From there, choose Signature Properties. In the dialog that opens, click Validate Signature. Adobe will run a verification using the signer's digital certificate and the document's security data. You'll then see the signature validation status window with a clear result. If it says signature valid, the document is authentic and unchanged since it was signed. If you see signature unknown, the certificate isn't currently trusted on your device. This often happens if the signer's certificate authority isn't in your trusted list or your system can't check it online. If it shows signature invalid, Adobe detected that the document was altered after signing or the certificate failed validation. In that case, don't rely on the file until the issue is resolved by the sender or your administrator. When you need to verify every signature in a multi-sign document, there's a quick way. Open the signed PDF, go to All Tools, and select Use a Certificate. Then choose Validate All Signatures and click OK. Acrobat will automatically check each signature in the file and present the combined results, saving you from validating them one by one. Behind the scenes, Adobe confirms three core elements. First, the signer's identity certificate. It checks whether the digital certificate used to sign is valid and issued by a trusted authority. Second, document integrity. It confirms the PDF hasn't been changed since the moment of signing. Third, timestamp and certificate status. It verifies when the signature was applied and whether the certificate was valid at that time, often using online status services. A few final tips. Keep an internet connection available so Adobe can check certificate revocation status. If you frequently see unknown signatures, your organization may need to update trusted certificates. And when in doubt about any warning, contact the document sender or your IT team for confirmation. That's all you need to confidently validate signatures in Adobe.